This is for Grandma and Grandpa, and it's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Happy Halloween!
Silly girls. What is it?
Easter Bunny cookies, salt, and... Mom, look, this is... It's okay, Becca. It's still fuzzy. This is mine and that's yours. This is mine. This is for you.
Look at that. Oh wow, we're dumping it on the floor. Okay.
It's jelly beans. That means it's the jelly beans.
Yummy. What's that?
Chalk.
Chalk to draw outside? Woohoo! What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa Malika? Isn't that awesome? That sure was nice of them. Oh, look, Beckham got the smaller one.